In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Klaviyo emails out of spam in just 5 minutes. Let's face it, crafting the perfect email only to have it get lost in spam folders can feel incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through every step necessary to ensure your emails are reaching your subscribers' inboxes and not their spam folders. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Klaviyo account. It's important to be logged in as everything we do today will depend on changes we'll make within your account settings. Once you're in, the second step is to authenticate your domain. Authenticating your domain is crucial because it establishes trust with internet service providers, signaling that your emails are legitimate and not some type of phishing attempt. Head on over to your profile next. You can do this by simply clicking on your profile photo, usually located in the bottom left corner of the screen. From there, we'll need to dive into the settings, so click on Settings and then navigate to Domains. This is where we'll set up some vital records, specifically SPF, DKM, and DMARC records. These may sound like complicated acronyms, but they're just different types of email authentication records. Essentially, these records tell email servers that your emails are trustworthy, which is critical in preventing your messages from being flagged as spam. It's time to get in touch with your domain provider, which might be companies like GoDaddy or Namecheap, among others. Setting up these records varies from provider to provider, so keep that in mind. The benefit of taking this step seriously is immense, as it not only improves your email deliverability, but also helps build a solid reputation for your domain. And in the world of email marketing, reputation is everything. Another key aspect to focus on is maintaining a clean email list. Navigate to Audience, then List and Segments to do this. Here, you'll want to create a specific segment that targets engaged subscribers, people who've opened or clicked on your emails within the last 90 days. Having this segment allows you to direct your main content to those who are genuinely interested, thus increasing your open rates. Don't hesitate to suppress or remove users who haven't been engaging with your content. It's not about the size of your email list, it's about the quality. Additionally, consider reducing potential spam triggers in your content. Avoid using common spam-inducing phrases like free, act now, or urgent. People tend to be wary of overly aggressive language. Also, steer clear of excessive use of all caps, emojis, or exclamation marks. A professional, clean email design can go a long way in making sure your emails are treated as the valuable content they are and not dismissed as spam. And there you have it, some straightforward steps to help your Klaviyo emails land in inboxes where they belong. Following these practices will not only improve deliverability, but will also enhance your email marketing effectiveness overall. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.